Why do you build me up? Buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and the worst of all.
What is going on, guys? Today I will be unboxing the Lightning Racer CoasterDynamix Nanocoaster model that I got this past Friday at Hershey Park. And so anyways, why not just get opening, my dudes? That's the instruction part, nothing new. This is the base. And this right here is the full thing. And here is the second piece of track. Alright. Alright, so there you have it. The unboxing for the Lightning Racer model. And as you know, Lightning Racer is a racing coaster, so it has two sets of track. And yeah, so that is the unboxing of the model of Lightning Racer. Reply to me your thoughts on this video, and of course, make sure to stay tuned for more. And there's gonna be a new video coming out tomorrow of me actually putting together this thing, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And of course, you know, check out my merch store on Bonfire that I made this past summer. I'll have a link in the description. I have face masks and t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, tank tops, all the things. So make sure to buy yourself a few things. And again, I'll have a link in the description. And you can buy as much as you want from my merch store. Just yeah. And I will see you in the next.